Travel Bees. Honey, say hi. Hey there, Travel Bees. Hey there, Travel Bees. Do you like my baby? My fur baby? I'm coming to you with another tip in our tips and tricks session. That is actually, have you ever thought of finding a niche, what you like the most to do on your videos? I'm doing everything right now. I'm testing to see what videos goes better. So I'm cooking, I'm traveling, I'm sharing travel content. I'm doing day in life DIYs rarely, tasting snacks and cooking. And between those, I'm doing my homework of 3 shorts per week. I love to do all these things, and let's see what works for me. I wanted this to be a travel channel, but I don't know. We will see what comes out of these things. Now I'm testing, each day I'm testing something. So this is kind of what I'm doing for the moment. I am trying to find a niche. Now I advise you to do the same. Try posting things in certain days if you like, just to see how the videos are working. Now a lot of videos posted on weekends are not that visible, because people on weekends are free and usually they go outside, they go out and about. So don't take it personal. Try to post your things, your content between Monday to Friday within the week. So long story short, try to find a niche, see what fits for you, see where you have more views than other videos. So I hope you enjoyed this video and see you guys later. Bye!